Welcome to our exploration of modern minimalist design, where simplicity meets serenity in a single-story home that embraces the essence of calm. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through a beautifully crafted home that embodies the harmony between living space and nature, showcasing how a small indoor garden can transform a minimalist setting into a peaceful oasis. As we walk through the entryway, notice how the clean lines and open layout invite you in. The intentional use of natural materials, such as wood, creates a warm yet modern feel. This home isn't just about aesthetics, it's a lifestyle that promotes awareness and connection with nature. Join us as we explore the features that make this home a true sanctuary for its inhabitants. Upon entering, you're greeted by an expansive open living area bathed in natural light, thanks to strategically placed windows that create a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The minimalist design philosophy is evident here, with a clutter-free environment that prioritizes functionality and comfort. The choice of neutral colors on the walls and furniture enhances the sense of spaciousness and calm. The furniture is thoughtfully selected, combining form and function. A low-profile sofa sits across from a simple coffee table, creating a cozy gathering spot without overwhelming the space. With the indoor garden visible from this area, the greenery becomes a living piece of art, constantly changing with the seasons and enhancing the overall atmosphere of tranquility in the home. As we enter the heart of the home, the indoor garden takes center stage. This tranquil space is designed to bring the beauty of nature indoors, with a variety of plants that not only purify the air but also create a sense of peace. The garden is meticulously maintained, with each plant selected for its aesthetic appeal and ease of care, making it a perfect fit for a minimalist lifestyle. The garden area is more than just a visual element, it serves as a calming retreat for its occupants. Spend a quiet morning here, sipping tea surrounded by greenery, or enjoying a book in the afternoon sun. The integration of biophilic design principles ensures that this space promotes well-being and relaxation, encouraging a deeper connection with nature in everyday life. Moving on to the kitchen and dining area, which embodies the essence of minimalist functionality. The open layout creates an inviting atmosphere, ideal for cooking and entertaining guests. Sleek cabinetry and high-quality appliances are seamlessly integrated, ensuring everything you need is within reach while maintaining a clean look. The dining table, the focal point of the space, is positioned to offer views of the indoor garden, allowing for a pleasant dining experience and enriching the look. This thoughtful design not only maximizes the use of space but also encourages communal living, where family and friends can gather to share meals and create lasting memories. As we step into the bedrooms, you'll notice how each space continues the theme of modern minimalism. The design features neutral color palettes and simple, elegant furnishings that create a calming retreat. Large windows allow for ample natural light, fostering a serene environment that's perfect for rest and rejuvenation. Each bedroom is a personal sanctuary, equipped with essentials that promote relaxation. The strategic use of storage solutions keeps the space organized, ensuring that the minimalist philosophy of less is more is upheld. With views of the indoor garden, each room feels connected to nature, enhancing the sense of peace that permeates the entire home. As we conclude our tour of this modern minimalist one-story house, we hope you've gained insight into how thoughtful design can create a harmonious living environment. The integration of an indoor garden not only adds beauty but also enriches the inhabitants' lives by providing a tranquil space for reflection and relaxation. Remember, minimalist living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. It's about creating a space that reflects your values and promotes well-being. We encourage you to consider how you can incorporate these principles into your own home design. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home design content.